Finally, once you've pushed the door back onto the posts, and the posts slide up the outer face of the door, not up here in there, then you can flip back the little catches and you're done. Do not skip the step of putting something soft down first. You're going to need a flat bladed screwdriver, a small flat bladed screwdriver, a Torx head ideally, a nice dry clean microfiber cloth and a dirty microfiber cloth. So once you get down to the last part, you need to pop them apart with a screwdriver. This long part clips to the top part with that little indent there, so you just need to get on the end of the long part and just very gently prise it away, just a tiny bit on this side, and also release it on that side, because otherwise if you do this too much, there's too much angle and you can't get the screwdriver in here. The broadest dark side is at the bottom, so you can see it's slightly broader at the bottom. There's a code number down there, that's at the bottom, so the text is the right way up. Watch these bits once you got that off. These are razor sharp and slightly serrated too, just for good measure, and they'll just slice through skin. Once you've snapped that back on, make sure it is really actually snapped onto these things. It should end up really tight. You can't lift it off at all that way. It should be, snug on there. Okay, so once you've got the main metal frame back on and you're fitting this, obviously arrow up, but painted side uppermost. Attach. So you can see these bits sticking out. Hook them on, hook it on, squash it together a bit so these screws line up, screw them in.